Hi friends, today we are going to discuss Science Stage 8 Paper 2 from 2022 for Cambridge Lower Secondary Progression Test, Cambridge Assessment International Education, and it will be in the quiz form question with time interval given, and you can get your own answer. After that you can match with the revealed answer. For this paper is 45 minutes, total mark is 50, and this is question 1. If you follow this video till the end, we will show you the full screen of the question. So you may take a screenshot and save it in your laptop or maybe print it out while doing along this quiz. Well, let's get started from number 1. Here we go. In number 1, Safia uses a microscope to study a sample of blood from a healthy person. Look at the view from the microscope. Here we go. Write down the function of cell A. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's
0.
open up the answer. Well, is to bind with oxygen. This is red blood cells. Red blood cells has the hemoglobin that can bind with oxygen and transport it all around the body. Here's the pictures of blood components in human. This is platelets, and the disc shape is red blood cells. The one that this is white blood cells, and this is plasma, right? So this is white blood cells for the B. Next, now we are in question 1B. Severe. It is a blood sample from someone recovering from an infection. The blood sample looks different to the sample from a healthy person. Describe how the blood sample from a person recovering from an infection looks different. 10 seconds from now, and explain your answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Now let's reveal the answer. Well, the number of white blood cells is increased. Explain your answer as white blood cells have the function to fight infection. So a person recovering from an infection will have the increased white blood cells as the function to fight infection. Next question. Now we are in question 1C. Blood cells are transported in a liquid. We'll write down the name of this liquid. Write down other function of this liquid. One other function. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, the name of this liquid is plasma. One other function, there are many functions for plasma. One of it is to transport hormones. Or you may answer. This is one example of correct answers. You can also have other options like transport nutrients, transport dissolved carbon dioxide. If you have any other option, you may write down in comment section if you need to clarify your answer. Next, we move on. Now we are in question 2. Light is reflected and refracted by water. The diagram shows path of a ray of light may take. Incident ray of light, normal line, air, the border between air and water. A, B, C, D, E is the option. Question A. Which letter shows the reflected ray? Circle the correct answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, it's A. Here A. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, so it reflect me, it bounce back at the same angle as the angle of incident. That will be the explanation. Now we move to 2B. Question 2B. The law of reflection is about the angle of incident and angle of reflection. Write down the law of reflection. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. While the law of reflection says when the light rays fall on a smooth surface, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. For this one, we see that angle incident is equal to angle of reflection. So incident angle and reflected angle. That's it. Next number. We're going to next number, C. Question 2C. Which letter shows the refracted ray of light? Circle the correct answer. A, B, C, or D. Now refracted. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, it is a D. How do we choose D? This is incident ray. It comes from air, less dense, to water, more dense. So the ray is refracted towards the normal line. So this one. So we choose D, not C, because C is away from normal line. So it's supposed to be go straight line if there's no refraction. But since there is change in medium from air less dense to water more dense, so the light is refracted towards the normal lines. So this will be the answer. Next. Now in question 3, Mike investigates the colored dyes used to make the food coloring. He uses paper chromatography, draws a short line in pencil here on the chromatography paper, places a dot of food coloring on the start line, places dots of pure dyes on the start line, put the chromatography paper in the solvent as shown in the diagram here. Red, blue, yellow, green, pure dye. This is the food coloring starting line here. Direction of motion of solvent, chromatography paper. Next. And then he wait until the solvent has soaked up the chromatography paper. Now look at Mike's chromatogram. So let's take a look. Here we go. Solvent front here. Food coloring. Red, blue, yellow, green, dyes. Start line. Question. Question A. Mike puts his food coloring and pure dyes on a pencil line rather than a line drawn in ink. Explain why. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer for A. Well, ink will dissolve in the solvent, but pencil will not dissolve. So that will be the answer. And it might affect the results. Next question B. Paper chromatography separates the colors in the food coloring. Describe how. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, here we go. Different dyes move up the paper at different speeds. Let's take a look. So if we see the dye in here, the food coloring is the dye is separated. The reason is different dyes move up the paper at different speed. That will be the explanation. Alright, next question C. Now yeah, in question C, look at Mike's chromatogram. Which color dyes are present in the food coloring and which one? And explain your answer. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. It will be here matching to yellow, here matching to green, green and yellow. Explain your answer. Yellow and green spots match the dyes in the food coloring. This one matching. Next question 4A. Electricity is generated using different resources. This pie chart shows the percentage of electricity generated in a country using different resources. Natural gas 20%, nuclear 9%, hydroelectric 4%, 1% for others. Crude oil or petroleum 41%, coal question mark. What percentage of electricity is generated using coal? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, it's 25%. How do we get the answer? So 100% is the total minus 20, minus 9, minus 4, minus 1, minus 41. So we'll get 25%. Next question. B. Here we go. What type of resource are crude oil, coal, and natural gas? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, it will be non-renewable resources. Next, question 4C. Question 4C. Write down two other energy resources not shown in the pie chart. This is shown now. Two other for 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. Well, this is the example of correct answer. Geothermal solar power. You may also have other option as the correct answer. There's no wind. You can say wind, tidal, biomass. Okay, let's move on. Now we are in question 5. Gabriel makes some sugar. It is important that the sugar is very pure. Question A. What is meant by a pure substance? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So it contains no impurity. That's meaning of pure substance. Now let's move on to 5B. Alright, Gabriela makes 12 grams of a solid. The solid contains 10.8 grams of sugar. What is the percentage purity of sugar in the solid? Use the equation shown, percentage purity. Alright, what is the percentage purity of sugar in a solid? Use the equation shown. Percentage purity is mass of useful product over total mass of solid times 100. What is the percentage of purity? Can you please count 10 seconds?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. If you still need more time, you may pause this video. So it's a 90%, so 10.8 is the solid useful product sugar over 12 is the solid times 100%. Maybe count will get 90%. Alright, next. Well, now we are in the question 6. Oliver investigates the amount of energy in different foods. Look at the diagram. It shows the equipment he uses. Test tube here, thermometer, 10 cm cubic centimeter of water, 10 milliliter of water. Now, burning food, mounted needle, Oliver measured 1 gram of wood. Now, put 10 milliliter of water into a test tube. Measure the starting temperature of the water. Sets the food on fire. Holds the burning food under the test tube until the food stops burning. Measure the final temperature of the water. Oliver repeats the experiment using different food. Explain why Oliver uses the same mass of food each time. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, to make a fair test, so mass is a control variable. So that's why same mass of food each time. Next. Question B, write down one other variable Oliver keeps the same. What is it? So now 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, the one example is same amount of water. You may answer, or you can also answer same distance from the food to the test tube. Next number. Still about Oliver writes his results in this table. Complete the table by writing the headings in the table. Well, we have to fill the heading in here, so 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. Well, this is our answer: type of food, nut, biscuits, cereal, bread, initial temperature or start temperature in degrees Celsius, final temperature in degrees Celsius. Next, we move on to question D. Question D. Write down the name of the food that contains the most energy here. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. If you have not finished counting, you may pause this video. Well, the answer is nuts. It's nuts. So how to get the answer? So we have to do subtraction. The most energy means it has the greatest increase in temperature. So 64 minus 28, 40 minus 26, 44 minus 26, 38 minus 27. So if we count, we will get, now this will be 6, 36. This will be 40 minus 26 will be 14. This will be 8, 18. And 38 minus 27 will be 11. So this is the greatest temperature difference. That's why that is the answer. Not. Next. Write down the name of the nutrient in food which provides a large amount of energy. So name of one nutrient in food which provide large amount of energy. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer. Well, the answer for this is carbohydrate, or you may also answer fat. That's the nutrient that provide energy. Next. Now we are in question 7. Rings magnet have a north pole and a south pole S. Chen has a toy made with 4 ring magnets. Now, question 8. Chen wants to use the 4 rings magnet to make the pattern. In the diagram here, explain how he does this. This idea is about north poles and south poles. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, he should arrange north pole faces north pole. So this will be, there's a distance between each ring magnet because they repel. And south pole faces south pole. So that's how he should arrange that. Alright, that will be our answer, as light poles repel each other. Next question. Now we're in question B, still about Chan. Now he wants to use the 4 ring magnets to make different pattern like this. Well, they are attached to each other. Explain how he does this. Use idea about north pole and south pole.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's open up the answer. Well, he should arrange unlike poles to face each other. Well, he should arrange unlike poles to face each other as unlike poles attract each other. Next. Question 8. Look at the pictures of a galaxy. Write down 2 types of object that make up a galaxy. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, let's open up the answer. It will be stars and stellar dust. Or you may also answer gas. And planetary systems or planets. Next. Question B. Write down the name of a piece of equipment scientists use to study galaxy. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Most of you must have known the answer for this. It's a telescope. Next. Question 9. Look at the pictures of a pond. Circle the word that describes all the living and non-living things in the pond. Is it abiotic, biotic, ecosystem, or food web?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. It's an ecosystem. Next. Question B. Look, write down 2 habitats in the pictures. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So we have to write 2 habitats in the picture for question 9b. Now let's open up the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Right, this is the example. Habitat in the water here and habitat in the soil. So in the soil. Right. All right. Next, we want to move to next question. Question 10. The question is about reaction of metals. Magnesium burns in oxygen to make a new substance. Write the word equation for this reaction. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So it's a magnesium plus oxygen to make magnesium oxide. Next question, 10b. 10b is sodium reacts vigorously with water. Write down 2 observations you make when sodium reacts with water.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So we can write it creates bubbles and sodium floats on the water surface. May also answer sodium gets smaller and eventually disappears and sodium produces yellow flame. And that's it. Next number. Alright, so 11 ICO makes an electromagnet. Look at the diagram of her equipment here. Core, coil of wire 6 turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cells and switch, paper clips. Aiko uses the electromagnet to pick up paper clips. She makes this prediction. Increasing the number of turns of wire around the core will make a stronger electromagnet. Look at Aiko result. Here, number of turns 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Number of paper clips pick up 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Is Aiko prediction correct? And explain your answer using her result. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, the answer is yes. Explain your answer using her result. As the number of turns increases, the number of paper clips pick up increases. So this is increase, this is increase. Next. Mia tells Aiko that she needs to improve her investigation. Describe how Aiko improved her investigation and explain your answer. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, let's open up the answer. So she must repeat the experiment for each number of turns. Explanation. Repeating experiment will improve the reliability of the experiment. Next. Here you go. We are in a question 12. Yuri has drawn this diagram to show a magnetic field lines around the Earth. Question A. Complete the sentence below to explain why the Earth has a magnetic field. The blank of the Earth act as blank. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. So the core of the Earth here inside there's a core, iron core, act as a magnet because iron has magnetic properties. Next, now we are in question B. Name the piece of equipment that is used to show the direction of the magnetic field. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So the answer is a compass. Next number 12C. 12C, draw arrows on each of the magnetic field lines to show the direction of the magnetic field. 10 seconds from now. We must draw on this diagram.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. So this is our answer. All the arrow must be in the same direction. So we consider the Earth has a giant magnetic. So the north geographic is coincide with the south pole of the Earth, and the south geographic of Earth is coincides with the north pole of the Earth. So from the north, the magnetic field line come out. That's the arrow, and go to the south pole of the Earth. Next, that will be the answer. Question 13. Ahmed investigates the solubility of potassium nitrate in water at different temperatures. Look at his results. Temperature in degrees Celsius 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Solubility of potassium nitrate in water in gram per 100 cubic centimeters 21, 32, 46, 64, and 86. Question 8. Plot Ahmed's result on the grid. Here, 2 points have been done for you. 2 points. Draw the curve of best fit through the point. So for this question, it's good if you can take a screenshot, print this out, and so you may draw on a piece of paper that you print out. Or then now this is 10 seconds given for you. You may pause this video. You need time to prepare.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's open up the answer. Here we go. So we plot 30 to 46. 30 to 46. Here we go. 40 to 64 here. 64. And 50 to 86 here. And then this is not all the dots, it's not forming straight line, so we don't connect them dot by dot, but we are doing the best fit line, so it should represent all the points. So we may take the line of best fit. This one is the example. Do not connect this to here, just start from here and go to here. All right, next, do not connect this to the origin. Let's move on. Now in question B, complete the sentence. As the temperature increases, the solubility of potassium water. What to fill in here? 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. So the answer is increases. We can see temperature increase, solubility also increases, go up. Next. Now in question 14, Blasi draws 5 different distance time versus times graph on the same axis, time versus distance from Blasi. The distance axis shows how far an object is away from Blasi here. Question A, which graph show a stationary object? Circle the correct answer. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's open up the answer. Well, stationary object in here is A. Since A has a flat line, it means there's no change of distance from Blasi. Next. Question B, which graph shows an object moving towards Blasi? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's open up the answer. So the answer is D. Since why do you know D? With D, the distance is decreases from to Blasi. So it means it's nearer to Blasi. The distance decreases. It means it moves nearer to Blasi. Next. Question C. Which graph shows an object getting faster? Circle the correct answer. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open up the answer. Well, the answer is B. How do we know B is not a straight line, but is curving up? It means the distance is increasing in a increasing rate. So it means the gradient of this is a increasing. It means the distance over time is speed. So it means the speed is increasing for graph B. When the speed is increasing, it means it's getting faster. So we choose B because this is the graph that has curving up. The rest is just straight line. B. Okay, next. Here we go. Question 15. Look at the diagram. It shows two different forces, F1 and F2, acting on a ruler. The ruler is balanced. Pivot D1, D2. Explain why the ruler is balanced. Use idea about principle of moment. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, let's open up the answer now. Alright, the ruler is balanced when clockwise moment equals to anti-clockwise moment. So clockwise moment equals anti-clockwise moment. Clockwise moment is this one, F2 times D2. And anti-clockwise moment is this one, D1 times F1. That will be our answer. That is the end of our discussion. As we promised, we'll scroll over from the first, so you may take screenshot of the whole blank question and print it out or save in your laptop if you need it for practice purpose. So this is the introduction page. So this is page 1A. 1A and B. 1A, B, C. So this is 1A, B, C. Then let me zoom in. This is 1A, 1A and B here. And this is 1C. So A, B, C. Next, this is question 2. A, B, C. Next, this is question 3. And this is question 3. This is the zoom in. Next, this is question 3A, B, C. Move on to question 4, A, B, C. Alright, that's all, A, B, C. Next is question 5, A, B. And question 6, A, B. And questions still 6, C, D, E. Then we are in question 7A and 7B. And also question 8, A, B. Question 9, A, B. Question 10, A, B. Question 11, A. And we go to question 11B, 11AB. This is 11AB. 11 and 11AB. Next is this question 12, ABC. And then this is question 13, guys. 13A and 13B. Zoom in. 13, and this is 13A. This is 13B. Next is 14AB and then 14C. Question 15. That's the last, right? End of the paper. So today we have discussed Science Progression Test 2022 Paper 2 as 8/02 question with answer for stage 8. Please do check link in the description. Click this button under the right button corner of this video if you open through Susan Ira YouTube channel. You'll see all other useful links for math and English, first, second language for stages from 3 to 12. And ring the bell Uh, there's bell icon also under this video. If you open through YouTube channel, when you click this bell, you will be notified when we release our latest updates, so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Please do subscribe as it will motivate us to create more video like this, and everything is free. Just click the subscribe button, like and share to anybody who might need this, because who knows, it might help them to prepare for the exam. So bye bye, and if you have any question, comments, idea, input, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan here YouTube channel. So today's discussion is conducted by Study with Teaching Online. We cater for all the subject and syllabus. Email us if you have any unsolved past paper. We see what we can do for you, or if you are interested to join with our online tuition. We cater for students from all over the world. Please email us, and don't forget to check links. And bye bye from now. See you in the next video. We hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you.